Hey guys, PepperAmmy here. This week I'm making a very quick and simple curry that is a great use of any leftover cans of tomatoes and cans of chickpeas that you may have lurking in your drawers or cupboards. And that being said, this curry is also going to be vegan and only takes around 20 minutes to make. Now, as this is a quick meal to make, you want to start with the rice, as this will take the longest and it's a good way to use up any half-empty or for some reason near empty bags of rice you may be collecting and have lurking in the bottom of your drawers. Now, whilst the rice is cooking, you want to heat a frying pan or a skillet over medium heat and toast any spices you wish to add. Now, personally, I went for just a couple of cardamom pods and a pinch of coriander seeds and then a 3-inch stick of cinnamon. Now, you only want to toast the spices, you want to make sure not to burn them. This is just to get the good aromatic oils going and make it more of a impactful flavour on your dish. Now, whilst your spices are toasting, you want to dice an onion and some garlic if you do so wish. Now, you know me by this point, I love jarred chili garlic, so I'm adding in some of that, as it is much more mild and it's not actually as bitter when you find a big chunk of it in your dish, so you don't even have to be that thorough when you're chopping it. Now, once your spices have toasted, remove from the pan and add to a spice grinder or a pestle and mortar, and then add some oil to the pan. Now, I'm using the chili oil from the garlic, but you can just use some vegetable oil or something that you wish to as well. Then you just want to heat that for a few seconds and then add in your diced onion and garlic. And then you want to gently fry or saute this for 3 to 4 minutes until the onion has softened. Now, whilst the onion is cooking, you want to grab a good 150 to 200 grams of spinach. Now, you can of course use frozen, but fresh is much better. Then you want to give it a quick wash and then, if you wish, a chop. Now, this may look like an absolute mountain of spinach, but trust me, as soon as it gets hot, it's gonna wilt down into almost nothing. Which, of course, you will know if you have ever cooked spinach. And then, whilst that is starting to wilt and cook through, you want to grind up your spices. Now, next to the mix, you want to add in 2 cans of your favourite chopped tomatoes and then 2 cans of drained and washed chickpeas. Then add in your ground spices with a good tablespoon of your favourite go-to curry powder and anything else you wish to add. Now, you may want to add in some ground ginger just to give it a nice gingery, fiery kick. You can add in a couple of sprinkles of dried chili flakes or even a fresh chili. Now, recently I have become obsessed with these sweet pickled red peppers, so I had to throw a few of them into the curry as well. Then all you need to do is bring this to a gentle simmer. The best part of this is because most of the stuff came out of a can, there is very little cooking time in the curry itself, as of course all canned food is pre-cooked. Now, if you are feeling a bit exotic and you remembered you have a can of coconut milk or coconut cream you got around 6 months ago that's just lurking in the back of your drawers, you can of course add around half a can. This will bring a nice colour balance and a subtle coconutty taste to the curry as well. Then you just want to mix this through, and if you've timed it well, your rice should have just finished cooking as well. Then all what is left to do is to serve and enjoy. And there you have it, a nice quick meal that cleans out some of your drawers, making space for you to buy more cans of vegetables that you're going to throw in those drawers and completely forget about for the next couple of months. But anyway, that wraps up this week's cooking video. If you did like what you see, let me know down below with a like and a comment. If you are new here, feel free to subscribe for free weekly cooking content, and I will see you all again next week. Thanks for watching.